Now is available at McCarthy Cars Audi A6 14 plate 2014. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera, TDI Ultra. Car has split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX. Car has satellite navigation, has reversing camera, DAB radio, two slots memory card, it's got SIM card, auto start stop function, heated seats, 2-zone aircon, push button to start. Car has automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, has heated steering wheel. Thank you for watching.